Offspring times Adidas. It's a good day for the community. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another video, and today is a special day. It is the day of the Adidas times Offspring event. It's called the Community Lab. If you haven't been following Offspring on Instagram, do that first of all. Maybe if you're not from the UK, you might not really even look into Offspring or know much about it, but it's a UK company that sells sneakers, and they've been going to town for a couple months now on like sorting out their sort of sneaker community, trying to get things back to like a sort of nice vibe, and they seem to be doing really well. On their Instagram account, they do loads of raffles like everyone else does, but they kind of try their best to get the sneakers into the hands of like the real sneakerheads rather than straight to the resellers. Obviously, it's like near impossible to stop resellers from getting sneakers, but they do their best, and it seems like more people than ever are actually taking W's, so shout out to them. I can't remember the last time I took a W on a website that wasn't Offspring. Like, I've taken L's on sneakers at the time now, but Offspring seems to come through here and there with some bangers, so salute to them and salute to what they're doing for the community. But yeah, today's event, a lot of people don't necessarily know exactly what it's going to be like, because I think it's only been about 2 weeks or so notice for people. I'm not sure when they first advertised it, but yes, Adidas times Offspring Community Lab. So hopefully they have some cool Adidas stuff there. Maybe the Dragon Ball Z collection, that'll be cool. But yeah, luckily I've been picked with some other guys from the panel to do some sneaker shots down there. So, well, it's going to be too late to say look out for me, because this video is going to already have happened, but I'm going to be down there with my camera taking some sneaker shots. We've seen the layout of how it's supposed to be. Who knows how it's actually going to be on the day, but I'm going to be out there doing my thing. Hopefully get some dope pictures, so look on the IG, Ash Bash Sneakers, or hopefully maybe an Offspring one or the panel. I have my photos up there, and obviously shots from this vlog as well. But anywho, trying to decide what to wear at the moment. I've gone for the track jacket. I was going to go for the whole outfit with track bottoms as well, but I don't think I'm going to. Probably rock some denim, but I'm thinking to go with this, either the NMDs, the human race ones that I've got recently, got a hint of pink in it, or maybe something else. But let's go up to the sneaker room, see what we go for. So yeah, this is the mess that is at the sneaker room at the moment, all over the place, but I have spotted one pair that I was considering. Adidas white mountaineering. This color would go, the black stripes, the black sneakers. This is a possibility, but as I said, the human race is the pair that I'm considering the most. I haven't worn them. Now would probably be the right time to rock these joints. Yeah. But it looks like there's a couple more Adidas boxes on here. What we got in here? Oh yeah, these, which never fit me. DS, never worn. The OG 93 17s, if anybody wants them. 350s, which is a box that I cannot be bothered to open. What colorway is that? The black red, again, doesn't fit me. And oh yeah, the young one, but obviously these colors don't match, so that's not an option. I think I'm just gonna go for the Florals. Easy peasy.